So, guys, what the heck are you holding right now?
Fugglers!
Okay. What are these and what makes them a fuggler?
Very ugly teeth.
So that's an ugly fuggler tooth.
It has a shirt.
Let's talk about building our website for fugglers. What is the vision that we're going to build?
We are gonna build a Fuggler website where it helps you do your daily chores and you can talk to them when you feel stressed.
So do you know how we're going to build this website together? Have you ever heard me say Vibecode? Vibe coding is when you just give a platform instructions and then it actually just builds it for you.
Cool, cool, cool.
Meet the fugglers. So these are all the fugglers.
You want to go to full collection. Go up.
So maybe our website should be for fuggler collectors and then you could also talk to them.
I like that.
Because wouldn't you want to log in and mark which ones you have and then make a wish list of the ones you want? And then maybe you could click on a few and talk to them?
Yes.
Cool. Well, we're going to use a couple of things. We're going to use Mocha AI to make the Fuggler database and website. And then we're going to use 11 Labs to get their voices. So should we listen to some voices that might be good voices for Fugglers? You guys could decide what they sound like.
Sure.
All right, guys, let's see if any of these sound like Fuggler voices. That is terrifying. You guys want that one? How about this one? It says strange and tricky. Got some voices.
Come on, could you go up? I saw one.
Oh, which one?
Go up. The Victor.
All right. Yes, that page already contains the 2 key things we need. So let's see. It created our little database. The unique ID. And run a script that downloads the HTML, finds monster block, and extracts. Below is a Python script you can run locally to generate both the CSV and JSON file. I don't know what we're going to use on Mocha, so we'll just start going on over here. We're going to hit Create New App, and now we have to describe what we're going to build. Since I already described it in ChatGPT, I usually like to just have it create the prompt for me. So I'm going to say, hold on this, create the prompt for the visual aspect of my website. Website for Fuggler plush monsters. So I'm literally just going to copy this, and I'm going to put it into, and I'm going to use their max. I want to at least give a few images of Fugglers so that it knows what to work with. I'm trying to use ChatGPT to build our Fuggler stuff. And now I'm trying to use Claude Cowork and I'm getting an error. I'm going to say
Try again, bro.
Oh no, internal server error. Guys, we might have to pivot. Let's take this prompt. Now we're going to Manus. We're really pulling out all the stops tonight. I think Manus could do it for us. So, I don't know if you guys think this is cool, but it's cool. So basically, I went to ChatGPT and I was like, hey, pull all the images of every Fuggler and their name and give it to me so I could copy and paste it into Mocha. And then ChatGPT was all like, here's code, go do some coding. And then I was like, nah, I don't want to code. So then I went to Manus and told on ChatGPT, and now it's doing it for us. It's called Fuggler Hoard. I kind of like that.
Cool.
Because we're hoarding. Your monster awaits. Track your gloriously unhinged Fugglers. Mark what you own, tag what you crave, embrace the chaos. And then it's just pretending which ones we have. Give it a database with all the actual images. But as far as the look and the feel and the colors, do you guys like it or do you wish it was like more bright, more green, more orange? What do you think of this so far?
Good.
It's good.
Do you want to keep it as is?
I like it like that.
And do you like how it says you could show what you own and what you... Let's go back to Manus and see if it's helping me. Look at, what AI tools have you actually used as a 9-year-old?
ChatGPT, Canva, Sora AI. This one I've managed. And other ones that I'm forgetting the name of.
You use Chrome, you use Gemini probably. And what are you doing with ChatGPT the most?
Just doing stuff on it, I guess.
Looking up fugglers, probably.
No.
Guess how many fugglers there are?
How many?
ChatGPT failed. Claude Cowork failed. And Manus kicked butt and created a database of all 272 fugglers.
Cool.
With their names and image URLs.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take that file that Manus is making, and I'm going to put it here in Mocha, and then Mocha is going to make this data set on the back end, which will show up on the front end, and we'll be able to work with our fugglers. And then we need to make a spot up here that says talk to your fuggler. Or should it say
Talk to any fuggler.
in the hero section, create an area that says talk to any fuggler. We'll figure out the functionality of that in 11 labs. Okay, let's do this. We're going to create a agent. New agent. This is where we give this voice instructions on how to be a fuggler. So if you were to tell, you're creating a fuggler that you could talk to. So what would you tell this thing that it can and can't do, and how should it act?
That's hard.
Could be hard. I would say fuggler, which is a child's toy. You are going to be giving kids advice on how to behave at school, how to tell jokes, how to help their parents, and also how to be a silly monster. Fuggler data ready to go. Here's what I have. Image, the JSON data, cool. All right, files. Fugglers complete JSON. I'm going back to Mocha, and I'm going to say, hey, guess what I have? I have the Fuggler package.
Bruh.
So, let's see, I have that.
Cool.
Assets, upload asset. Cool.
Cool.
I knew you could do it.
Mocha.
I'm creating a voice agent for the Fugglers to talk to users. Help me come up with the prompt in 11 labs for how the Fuggler should act. And then I'll paste our notes. Here are our notes. And chat is, okay. You are a Fuggler, a silly, mischievous toy monster with way too many teeth and a big weird heart. Here, we're gonna go to 11 labs and put it in here. This is where we pick the voice. Little dude. Should we try it out?
Sure.
All right, well, I think he sounds good. Let's go back to Mocha. Oh, look it, here they are. Mocha did it.
Let's see.
We have all the Fugglers.
Cool.
And you can go through and say if you own them or not.
It says, on the last one, it said how much teeth it has. Now it doesn't.
How much teeth each Fuggler has? We might have to forego that aspect. On this website it says that?
No, on the last one. When it didn't show the fugglers, it said 12 teeth.
Oh, it did, but it didn't have the data and it didn't know. I don't think we have the number of teeth each of them have. So that would be hard. We'd have to go through and count every single Fuggler and how many teeth they have. And I don't know about you, but I don't really have time for that. This is cool. Look at all of our Fugglers in there. That's awesome. What do you think? Good. So I'm going to say, here is our voice agent for when someone wants to talk to a Fuggler. Just send it in, see what it does. That's funny.
It's true.
I just find it really funny.
Old Tooth version 2. There's other ones somewhere.
Let's see. I want it to stay on the website though. So when somebody hits talk to any Fuggler, I want them to stay in the website. Can it load inside this page? Chat with Old Tooth.
So, could you make it search?
Well, you're right. We got to put search in there. Add a search at the top. I feel like, I don't know. I feel like the colors and stuff should be brighter because fugglers are so bright and I feel like the black background doesn't really go with it.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like it should be like white and orange and bright and silly, right? We have a search. Let's see if it works. Old tooth?
Huh?
Oh my gosh, it did it! Oh, it just wasn't ready for us. Old tooth.
See that one my guys' thing.
Oh, I love old tooth. We do have this one. So, oh, that's cute. When you mark it, it says mine. So let's talk about our prompt for how you want it to look. How do you want it to look?
I want it to have just macaronis all over the place, and it's gotta be, let's say, brown with macaronis. The background. Brown with
Bowls of macaroni.
dancing around the place. But not actually moving, just all around, scattered.
So tell me if this sounds good. Bold, playful, and chaotic website for fugglers that feels joyful, weird, and energetic. The color palette is loud and happy using bright orange, hot pink, neon green, sunny yellow as primary colors. They should clash in an intentional way, feeling rather exciting rather than polished or corporate. The background is filled with dancing macaroni shapes. The macaroni should look cartoonish and alive. They are wiggling and spinning around on the page. This is great. I'm copying this. GPT wrote us that, and now we're going to go in here and paste it. And I'm going to say, instead of design, say redesign the look with. I can't wait to see what it does.
Sorry! Ooh, look what it did!
So much better. Ooh! I like this font. I hope they change the whole background because I want it to be white, not black.
And I don't see little macaronis!
We don't see any macaronis. It's not done though. It says Mocha is still working. Here.
Cool.
Oh, that's so good!
Macaronis!
It's amazing! Cool. This is the most fun website we've ever built. Oh, what? You found a problem?
There's no search bar.
Find a fuggler. Chat with old
Let me
tooth.
try it.
You want
hit chat with old tooth.
Well, it says click the bubble in the corner still. Ooh, it's so good.
Pretties. Did you add the thing?
What were we adding again?
Login.
Oh, and you can unwand.
Good. No.
All right. We need to add login with Google. It's called OAuth, and then people can make an account.
Nope. Are people gonna pay for the?
Do you want them to pay for it?
No.
You want it to just be a free website for fuggler lovers? Cool. We might have to get a domain name for this because this is so cool.
What's a domain name?
Domain name's like the website it lives at, so it'd be like fugglerhorde.com.
Look, as you scroll up, it gets more orange. And as you scroll down, it goes darker.
What? It's been changing.
Oh, look. Keep scrolling.
So, sign in. I want to see what the sign in looks like real quick.
Jam Anderson.
Nice. So now I can go in and be like, these are mine.
Oh, now scroll down and see how it gets darker. You see?
Oh, it's like purple now.
It's purple at the end. And when you scroll up, it's orange.
Or is it just changing all the time in the background? If we keep it still.
No.
Wow, this is so cool.
The only thing I'd change is the macaronis don't look like macaronis.
Well, what do you think they look like?
Little rainbows.
No, I think they look like macaronis, but to fix it, you could say just make them yellow, or I think they're kind of funny. Is there anything else you want to add or change?
No.
Do you like it?
It says we own one.
Well, you have to log in and do your own thing. Go play with it. So all we have to do is hit publish, and then you could go to your computer, take your shades off, and play with it, and actually log in and make your account. And publishing. And so we have a weird URL for now, but if we wanted to put our own URL, we could. You do want to?
Fuglerhorde.com.
This is it live.
I'm 9 years old and I just built this website with Mocha AI.
Cool.
It's a collection for fugglers. 272 fugglers.
All right, Go to fugglerhorde.com to check out my 9-year-old's amazing site that he built. Thanks, dude.